effect gets grounded. What? No, more like sound effect gets ungrounded. Oh my god. This show sucks. This show is annoying. Donald Duck and Goofy keeps grounding him all the time. I hope this show gets cancelled soon. Do you know who likes this show? Donald Duck and Goofy, yes. Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse, no. He likes to make it, but he can't because it's still grounded. And do you know who hates this show? Me and other AUTTP users. We're the fans of users. So, sound effect gets grounded sucks. End of rant.